Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you if you can't speak on Google Translate the voice option over here. If you click and you can't speak anything right now, fix the problem. So I will show you how to fix the problem. So just I'm using the Windows 10 operating system. You have to just go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system volume and just go for troubleshoot this option and select your webcam or anything else. Just click troubleshooter and I'm sure your problem will be fixed. If this will not work, just go for this more options right over here. And as you can see, two microphone is over here. I'm using the webcam of Logitech. You have to just enable and disable this and just look if your problem is fixed. So this was a small video. So if this video was helpful for you, so leave a like, comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.